name's Denton. He's here with Juno, the Rover we saw at Rover Fest.
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you doing? You have a nice weekend?
Working with Juno this weekend.
What have you been doing?
We've undersealed it. Would you like to have a look?
What?
Just undersealed a bit of it.
Wow, while it's been here?
Yeah.
Oh, go on then. But you look clean.
Well, I haven't done... Well, you see, I keep the underseal on the brush and on the car, not on me.
Oh, okay. if I was doing the undersealing, I'd have it all around my face. Yeah.
So,
get us a torch then.
Torch, you can have a look. I've only done the floor pans. I ain't done underneath the wheel arches because the thing is, we came up here on Thursday and there's so much muck getting over it. The windscreen was dirty. Typical British car. The washer jets didn't want to work. Something has to go wrong with a British car on a journey.
Of course.
Otherwise it wouldn't be a British car. But we can't get the electrics to work on British cars, can we? But yeah, we've done the floor pans and we'll do the wheel arches when we get home and we can clean it off. And I'll get a torch.
Is there anything else you're doing this weekend?
Well, I did start spraying underneath the engine.
Oh yes, I saw a picture of that. Yeah. I was shocked to see all that.
Yeah, but we had to stop because we weren't allowed to spray. We were told after.
Oh, poor Steve. He started to paint under here, but yeah, they're not allowed to paint in here apparently. That's a shame, isn't it?
Got an electric fuel pump down there.
You put an electric fuel pump in here?
Electric fuel
What
pump.
was wrong with the manual one?
It died.
Oh, did it?
It died.
Oh dear, oh dear.
So we put the electric pump down there, so it keeps, you know, nice fashion still. That way, we've still got reserve tap working.
Oh, okay, that's
so
good.
So it comes up here. Yeah. When you stand back, you don't look too dissimilar from standing.
No.
What we have got is a pair of Dixie horns.
Oh yeah, where are they?
Ah!
I'm expected to see them sort of stood up here or something. How did you get them in there?
3 there.
Oh! Where's the others?
We've got 2 over the other side.
Oh God, there they are. You couldn't do that with the sharks.
Unit.
Couldn't do that with the shark's tooth balance, could you?
The unit we've got is just down here and in there where the air
behind the headlights.
I
think he's going to beep his horns. They're loud, really loud.
So yeah, if you want to look underneath,
yes, I'll go and have a crawl around underneath. Dump my bag on the floor. Gosh, yes. Now that is a job I need to do on my car. Get the underseal out. I'm looking to see if he's got any on the exhaust, because
we ain't got any on the exhaust. That far down. No.
Brilliant. Ah, looks tidy.
Yeah, we'll come up the sill a little way because it's a bit more of a daily than Alex's. So
yeah, that's alright, isn't it? Yeah.
Got nice and straight. But what I wish I had done is curve it round because that's a nice flat panel. Do you see what I mean?
Ah,
it probably would have looked a bit better, a bit more stylish. But I've done it that side like that, so I've got to do it the other. So I have done the other side.
And then one day you'll get in and do these as well.
Yeah, we'll do that. You know, weekends time or something like that.
That's alright.
Nice and black again. But what we can show Alex, because she was trying to make me jump today.
What are you showing me?
She was trying to make me jump. Alex, this is true, sent me an Instagram showing off that she had a really nice centre console. And she knows it.
You've replaced yours.
No longer broken.
I don't know if you remember seeing Steve's centre console. It was all cracked and broken, but you got one. Brilliant. I forgot you had these seat belts as well.
Yeah, they're meant to be quite rare, aren't
they? Very rare and expensive because people want them for their Cortinas and Minis and things.
Oh right. You live and learn.
You do, yeah. Yeah, Irving seat belt. Brilliant. Well, thanks for showing us around, Steve.
Enjoy the show.
Bye.
Take care.
Lovely avocado P6 here. Cloth interior, automatic. avocado one. It's got the new Repro badge on the bonnet as well. It's got the Roverfest badge from last year. And the Roverfest badge from 2017 as well. Ian's brought along his Nada in pieces, so everyone can see the skeleton frame of a P6. Oh, you've left the keys in the ignition, someone might nick it. Oh look, it's got the different heater box on this one, air conditioning. There's a lot of work needed on this one. Clive's been doing a lot of work, Clive Annabelle. So this one, doing all the panel gaps and things. I saw they had a wing off yesterday in some of the photos. Oh, this has got the air conditioning heater box in it as well. So this must be the air conditioning unit. So it's got perhaps a secondary fan belt? I'm not sure. It's got the dashing bits there, so we can't see the aircon bits. Look at this lovely Rover 75. Enk. I've seen this one about. Look, this was what Jessie could look like if she had shiny paintwork. I kind of like Jessie not having shiny paintwork, so I don't have to worry about it. Oh look, he's got the single leather seats in the front, not the bench. They do look comfy. No, it's weird with no red bits. Doesn't drive, does it? I like the number plate with the sort of chrome lettering. I know why it looks a bit strange as well, because it hasn't got Rover 100 badge, because it's a 75. Nice Rover V8 manual. Oh, let's have a look in here, since you've got the door open. Very nice. It's gone for the grey carpet like I've got in Mr. Jenkins. The veneer's nice on this one. Oh, and let's have a look at the engine bay. That's a nice engine bay, nice and clean. Very tidy. We've got a V6 here in this Rover 825. Well, I bet Joseph's been over here getting excited about the beige leather interior. He does like a beige leather interior. And there's the Rover Owners Club. Right! Just to see what they've got here today. We've got this manual V8 on the stand with a red interior, white with red. That's lovely. Really nice. I like a Series 2 in white. I think the black grille is a good contrast. Now I forget the colour of this red. Oh, it says it on the roof, look, copper leaf. Copper leaf red. Very nice. Sort of a burgundy colour, isn't it? It says it's an Earl's Court show car. 1964, so this is a very early one. So what is it, a B reg? Yeah. Nice. Chris Wilson's here with his CKD from New Zealand. CKD standing for Complete Knockdown. That means the car pretty much came as a bit of a flat pack when it came to New Zealand. He's done some mods on this. He's got a decker panel and he's got a hole drilled in the other side, so it's got one tank, 2 holes. It does sound like a dodgy film we might have seen on the internet at some point, but yeah, he's going to have a filler this side and a filler that side, so he doesn't have to wait for one side of the pump. It's a bit multicoloured at the moment. I think its original colour was tobacco leaf. I'm not sure what colour he's going to go for in the end. So he's got a broom pole as a bonnet stay. Oh look, he's brought his Series 1 Rover badges. See, they came with the gold and the silver. Now I don't know what the silver ones would have been fitted to. The gold is the original, you know, the one we all know and love. It looks nice with the silver leaf. I might do one like that. It's been doing a lot of work to this recently, especially to get it ready for the show. See, he's got the shark's tooth front valance on this, and it sort of looks like a willow green valance. Where's your heater box, Chris? Looks like he's got electric windows as well. Snazzy. So he's got a heated front windscreen on this one. He's got a sticker for isolate, but I can't see it. I don't think he's fitted it. I wonder if he will be fitting it. Perhaps he's going to fit it onto here on this space. And over here we've got a 2000 TC. This is Brigade Red, it says. See, this is good having the signs on the roof. Gets to tell me what colour, what the name of the colour is. Obviously I know it's red. Oh look, he's showing off his undercarriage. There we are. And this is what a TC engine bay looks like that's actually painted, unlike a... It's a 2.2? Oh, he's got a 2.2 engine in there. Doesn't say it. They normally have it on there. Did you grind it off?
Sorry?
They normally have 2.2 written on there, don't they, if it's a 2.2? Isn't it cast?
I think you can tell by the engine number.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And it's got the carburet, the airbox also. 2.2.
Yeah.
2.2. Definitely 2.2. In disguise.
Goes well then.
Oh yes, but 2 litre rocket cover.
Very nice. What year is this one? G-Reg 69. Oh, does that mean? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Ah, I thought it might have had the non-opening rear quarter windows. At the night, but oh, it says it's 1968. This one. This is the 1969 models had non-opening rear quarter lights. Useless anorak information for you. Oh, sacrilege. Look, he's got his cigarette lighter just laying there on the seat. Imagine if it was red hot. It would burn straight through the leather. And look, he's got extra gauges. He's got a voltmeter and an oil pressure gauge. I presume it's oil pressure, not oil temperature.
Yeah, no, I know the feeling. I've certainly been down much the
Really useful, that one. I heard you've been quite busy today. Yes, I have been. I've been sat around
Leg
all
room's
morning
pretty
doing
dire back
nothing.
here, isn't it?
And then about 1:15, I've been. My dad bought me a cake and it's been sat in the back for the last 45 minutes. I've not had a chance to eat it.
Oh, you've got to eat a cake.
I need 5 minutes to eat my cake. But I'm not complaining because it means I get to drive my car. So.
Whee! Is this a 1300?
No, this is just an 098, this one.
Oh, right.
But it's got a stage 1 tuning kit on it, so it's putting about 47 to the wheel. Steadying heights of 47.
I own a Mini now.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, he's got
Big plan. I've just I've rebuilt the rear subframe. That's all been stripped down, powder coated, poly bushed, new rear brakes.
My God, it's heating some milk.
Quite comfortable back here, to be fair.
It's surprisingly comfortable.
Yeah.
This is just on a stock suspension, isn't it?
Apart from the high lows, yeah.
Oh,
Same with the bulbs. All the bulbs are LED, same kind of LEDs. Oh, they're bright.
did you have to pay import tax and shit for these?
Yes.
Was it expensive?
I'm going to be honest,